है पोर्ट सामने?
यस है।
So important points. Ground rules will be in the next slides. Number one is prepare your detailed notes. Keep listing down major punch points whenever we discuss. Today's session will go like this. We will start with a small orientation. आप लोगों में से कितने लोग 2 घंटे की वीडियो देख के आए हैं? हाथ खड़ा करें। बहुत कम, almost 30% only. Why others have not seen it? आपको शेयर कितने हैं जिनको अभी तक मिली नहीं है वो वीडियो? आपने लेट ज्वाइन किया GDPI ग्रुप, तो we have to start accepting responsibility for each and every action of ours. Those who join in late, so you will miss something. After today's session, again Rohit sir will put it. Rohit sir बैठ जाओ आराम से, चेयर ले लो एक उधर पीछे. So he will try to again share the PPT, the video with you that covers the theory part. So I'll now not do it in detail. Normally it takes around 2 hours. It is already covered in that video. So we will brush through overview of group discussion, overview of personal interview, how to develop content on different topics, etc. So that will take approximately 25 to 30 minutes today. And then we will discuss the 150 topics. Before we go to the topics, I will give you a brief overview of different management roles. Because आपकी जो case discussions होंगी, उसमें आपको you'll have to assume a role of senior management of a company. Like you will be given a case study, and you are to discuss it. You are the board of directors of the company, or you are the management committee of the company. You have to discuss an issue. So if you know what is CEO's key deliverables, key result areas, what he should be able to balance between short term, long term, etc. What are the key deliverables of marketing head, finance head? क्योंकि आपसे इंटरव्यू में भी पूछा जाएगा आप स्पेशलाइजेशन किस फील्ड में करना चाहते हो, तो देन यू विल हैव टू आंसर मार्केटिंग, देन व्हाई मार्केटिंग, एंड फ्रॉम वेयर मार्केटिंग स्टार्ट्स एंड वेयर इट एंड्स. सो आई विल ट्राई टू गिव यू ओवरव्यू ऑफ all these domains based on what experience I have had in industry for almost 25 years. So that you will get in approximately 30 more minutes, and then we will start discussing the topics. 115 topics. We will have to divide it among you. Some of the topics I have marked, which we will be dividing. Some of the topics we will finish today itself. The overview, macro, bullet points on each and every topic based on what I have been analyzing them over the years. Okay. The topics which we will divide, we will meet again maybe coming Sunday, or we'll fix a date which is convenient to most of us, a time approximately 3 to 4 hours. Then those students who select that particular topic, they will come prepared with a small presentation. They have to mail it to Rohit sir in advance, 2 days before the session or 1 day before the next class. The person whosoever picks a particular topic, he will come here like this. He will give the presentation on that particular topic. What he has to minimum cover, that I will tell you for each topic. And then it helps us in many ways. Number one, it multiplies our efforts. It helps, somebody is good, has experience of IT company, somebody is good in finance, somebody is maybe has some agriculture background in this class, so he will come with his perspective. What are the key points of farm laws? What is his perspective about it? What is Swaminathan reports, recommendations, where this government is implementing them and where it is not implementing, repercussions, etc., etc. So that presentation, one is it multiplies our effort. Secondly, your presentation skill improves. Thirdly, when you present here, after that people will ask you questions, so you will get the confidence to answer to a public forum. And then in the end, I will give you my inputs on those topics based on my experience. And that helps in the, one is content, secondly different perspectives about different issues. So this is way we will go forward. And then by the time 5, we will reach 5 o'clock. 5 to 7:30 or 8, we'll have mock interviews here. We'll take volunteers, fastest fingers first. At that time itself, we'll tell those who want to give interview, please raise your hands. So maybe 8 or 10 interviews we'll do here. Now the point of doing an interview here in front of all of you is कि आप दूसरे के इंटरव्यू से सीखें. If you have seen 40-50 interviews, chances are, एक और बच्ची की वीडियो थी राहत की, her interview was there for Narsi Munji, and I remember she had 210 in Narsi Munji or 215. The cutoff was 208, and she converted it in the first list. With God's grace, it normally does not happen, but her 100% interview was what we had done. It is very rare, very difficult. We discussed Make in India. She was asked Make in India. We discussed the current situation of Swachh Bharat, smart cities, same flow. Somehow it went. It is with His grace only. But 100% it was the replica of what we did here. There was a student who cleared. Her photo is there behind this. Gursimrat Huja. She was sitting here where this our आपके पीछे. She came here for GDPA preparation. So whole day she made. That was 26 January. We sat from 10 a.m. till 8. सारी जो presentation थी वही थी. And she wrote down all her bullet points. इतना material वो बना के लेके गई एक दिन. And I can tell you what if she converted IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Kolkata. FMS she did not give the interview because before that IIM Ahmedabad result was out. Now she is working with Bains and Company as a senior consultant. The difference between her and any other student, few other students, was the focus. She was focused like this on the presentations, writing down bullet points. 100% किसी से कोई बातचीत उसने पूरा दिन सुबह से लेकर शाम तक नहीं की. And when we did mock interview, उसको भी what we discussed about, she was doing Kathak. Then we went into what kind of Kathak she does, who is the famous gharana for it, etc., etc. That particular element was discussed in the IIM Ahmedabad interview. And few more things. I asked her, what have you contributed to your father's business so far? She was a IIT Roorkee BTech. And then she had few points ready, which she immediately told them. Why you are not likely to join your father's business? So those answers were ready with her. At least 3 out of 6 questions she was asked. The point is, why I am sharing you these examples is, if the same approach I expect from all of you. Batch बड़ा है, अपने को दूर दूर पे बैठना पड़ रहा है. So it is going to be tough if we start talking to each other. Especially जब mock interview हो रही होगी, या GD हो रही है, या कोई मैंने केस डिस्कशन करा रहा हूँ, उस टाइम अगर पीछे लोग आपस में बात करेंगे, it disturbs like anything. It spoils the focus. किसी बच्चे की इंटरव्यू रोक के sometimes I had to tell people, आप इधर से उठो, इधर बैठो, इधर से तो इधर, which is not fair. So I request and seek your serious conduct as managers, future managers, and responsibility I have on me is in next say 1 month or so, I have to try to make you from fresh graduates at least 80% ready for corporate world and 80% managers mind wise. अभी तक मस्ती, पेरेंटल पुश, रोहित सर का पुश, इंटरव्यू काउंसलिंग के लिए भी पुश, सब कुछ पुश अब नहीं होगा, आपको पुल करना होगा. That will be the change here from here on. It has to be, नहीं तो होएगा नहीं, conversion नहीं होएगी. So everything you have to read yourself, whatever topics are given. आज हिना मैम ने काफी कुछ आपको शेयर किए. Questions were very good question. I can tell you, किसी की भी कोई भी इंटरव्यू हो, अगर 10 क्वेश्चन आएंगे तो 5 या 6 वो जो दिए गए हैं उसमें से आएंगे. या whatever we will do here. देखें कितने लोग हैं जो क्रिकेट खेलते हैं? Okay. Those who play cricket, they know कि जब हम प्रैक्टिस कर रहे होते हैं नेट में, we are practicing how to play different kind of balls. When we are playing in a match, we don't know कौन सी बॉल किधर आएगी, but we know approximately किस लेंथ की बॉल है, उस तरह से क्या फुटवर्क करके कैसे खेलना. Broad strategies we know how to tackle different kind of deliveries. So that is the purpose of mock interviews and mock GDs. So that ये नहीं सोचें कि 100% ऐसा नहीं. एक लड़का था हमारा मनप्रीत सिंह, अभी लुधियाना में है, he will also join some of the future interviews. He did IIT कानपुर MBA. तो he entered नारसी मुंजी की उसकी इंटरव्यू थी. तो as soon as he entered the room, he was expecting जैसे यहाँ एक फ्लो बन जाता है, introduce yourself, So tell us something about yourself. So where do you come from? उसको पहला क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा गया? You will be surprised. He was asked, what makes you afraid? He was taken aback, totally taken aback. Then he said lizards. कहते क्यों? फिर उसने बेचारे ने कुछ बताया, but he said कि मैं वहीं पे clean bold हो गया था जब मेरे को सीधा क्वेश्चन ही पूछ लिया what makes you afraid. ये क्या नेगेटिव नोट पे इंटरव्यू स्टार्ट हो गई. It can happen. Just to unsettle you, just to check your balance. कैसे जैसे सीधा गए बाउंसर आ गई, बाउंसर भी फेस, तो कैसे can you duck it like this, or how will you play that? Because as soon as you are a new batsman, you are not likely to hook immediately. So how do you handle it? This is why our interview we will be talking about those points in the next few slides. My request to you is be serious. Take example of people who have converted. जैसे उशलीन है, एक बार यहाँ पे बैठी थी, 2 बच्चे थे साथ उसकी कॉलेज के, तो कभी कुछ इधर लिखा, उसने लिखा क्वेश्चन अबाउट द टॉपिक ओनली, बट व्हाट वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट सम अदर इन सम अदर इंटरव्यू शी डिड नॉट पे अटेंशन टू इट. फिर शाम को उसकी इंटरव्यू थी 7:30 बजे, तो शी गॉट स्कोल्डिंग कि अब तो अगर बैठे हुए जो टॉपिक डिस्कस हो गया अबाउट पर कैपिटा जीडीपी एटसेट्रा उसको भी पिक नहीं करेगी, तो फिर खीर बनी हुई नहीं खा रहे तो खीर बना के कहां से खाएंगे? अपना कंपटीशन क्या है, अपने को बहुत क्लियर होना चाहिए. 80% of your competition will have work-ex. 80% of your competition will be from IITs, NITs, Shri Ram, Presidency, etc., Xavier's, IPM pass outs from IIM Indore, etc., whom you have to compete and snatch a seat. People from this same classroom year after year have done it, so you all can do it. But you have to be little more serious, attentive, responsible, etc. Okay? So please attend class with an open mind. As without this, soft skills improvement is not possible. If we have a point of view on certain thing and we stick to it, then we will not understand other side's perspective. When we'll do mock interview, you will understand the panel expects you to have a balanced view. Not just totally biased on this side, not totally biased on this side. Balanced view, macro view और short term, long term impact जानते हुए. नहीं, ये नहीं कि सिर्फ सब लोग आज लुधियाना में 90% लोग स्टिकर लगा के घूम रहे हैं, I support farmer, I support farmer. Who does not support farmer? Out of 1 lakh, maybe 1 person can be such who will not be supporting a farmer. Everyone we know, they are our countrymen, and unfortunately over the years, decades, they have been exploited. Year after year, government after government. So, but that situation has come today where there is a distrust, so we need to look at it from a macro view. पीछे से आज और आगे. Always try to find fault in system, not people. This is very important. Where the system is faulty. आपको जो केस डिस्कशन दिया जाएगा अभी तो खैर चलो 80% चांसेस मार्च तक के बाद मुझे लगता है नॉर्मलाइज हो जाएगा सिचुएशन. तो अप्रैल ऑनवर्ड जो इंटरव्यूज होंगी या they may call you for physical interviews. So April onward, if they will be there, you can be given a case. Like we will also give a case today for a discussion. So you don't need to find a fault कि यार वो HR head जो था या HR director था उसकी प्रॉब्लम थी, सिर्फ उस पे मत रहें, उसकी पर्सनैलिटी पे मत रहें, सिस्टम देखें. Was there let us take an example. There was a case which is a very famous case for most of the XLRI and other IIM Ahmedabad etc. HR related case है कि एक डायरेक्टर है HR का, उसको उसमें लोग बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस रखते हैं तो अपनी शेयर कर लेते हैं उनसे बातें. तो एक बंदे ने उनसे शेयर की who is now CEO of a company is one arm. He shared कि मेरा 15 साल पहले कोई बड़ा क्रिमिनल केस था. तो he had not till now the management did not know it. Now if you are the HR director, what will you do in this scenario? So there will be ZAT में भी आता है ऐसा ही केस है. So you have options like you will go to management, brief the management and go for removal of the CEO. You will not tell anybody. defensive, very defensive. What will you do? So these kind of options are also there. In your case, if it is a case, no boundary is given. You are given a case for discussion. What will you do as a HR manager, HR head? So now, one way of looking at it is the person was wrong. उसने बताया नहीं, छुपा लिया, etc. etc. So that is not going to help. अब कर लो on भी फिलहाल थोड़ी देर के लिए lights. इधर से ही कर लो बच्चे. Okay. So in this case, initially, if you look, the problem is one way of looking at it is HR director को बताया, अब वो जाके बता दे मैनेजमेंट को, तो बाकी एम्प्लॉइज फ्यूचर में उससे ट्रस्ट करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे, वो एक क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा. सेकेंडली, we will, I think normally sometimes we give this topic then we discuss, but let me just give you a icebreaker kind of a thing, what kind of things we are going to discuss. Now another perspective is कि जब उसकी बंदे की इंटरव्यू हुई थी, तो जो इंटरव्यू इवैल्यूएशन या इंटरव्यू फॉर्म होता है, क्या उसमें कोई डेक्लेरेशन थी हमारे सिस्टम में? Here we are separating ourselves from the HR director, his conduct, we are separating ourselves from the person involved, we are looking at system. When the person was interviewed, did the interview form had a declaration that he is supposed to give us a declaration? Did he have any criminal cases ever in past? Are there any live criminal cases against him? Has he spent any one night in jail, etc. etc. जैसे कई बार हम वीजा के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं, पासपोर्ट के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं, ये चीजें पूछी जाती हैं. तो was there a system to where he was supposed to declare? If it was not there, then first thing we need to correct is the system. Secondly, we need to understand what kind of case it was, the gravity of the case. It could be a criminal case where his son was admitted in a hospital and he needed some particular medicine. The shop was closed and it had a glass and it was a totally emergency situation. He broke the glass, he took the medicine, and next day the other guy put a case on him. So then after 6 months it was settled, etc. etc. So what was the nature of the crime? What was the impact of the crime done, etc. etc. Nature. So all these areas we have to understand, and then we would need to come out what we are going to do next. Clear? So that is what it means here. कर दो बच्चे वन, right? You have to try to find fault in the system, not people. अब जैसे bills है, farm bills, तो system, as per system, is there a system कि before any legislation, government is supposed to consult the union leaders of that particular thing? There is no system, but there is a precedence. If there is something very reforming you are bringing, ideal way is you talk to the people or the leaders of that community for whom that bill is being made. So again, you are looking at the system failure. Were the Kisan union leaders consulted? Was there deliberation before it? Was a committee constituted, or it has been rushed? So this we will come to know when somebody PAU से कौन है? Okay, good. आप लोगों ने उसमें लेना है फार्म लॉज पे टॉपिक, और आपने एक बंदे ने स्वामीनाथन कमेटी का जिस्ट निकाल के लाना है, और कुछ और टॉपिक्स भी बाकी जो है पीएई वाले. और कौन है? दो तो इधर हो गए, दो और हैं. तो आपने भी जब टॉपिक लेने कोशिश करना एग्रीकल्चर रिलेटेड हो. आज की प्रॉब्लम्स, डिप्लीटिंग वाटर लेवल्स, प्रॉब्लम आज के दिन में जो ये फार्म लॉस की चल रही है, ये जस्ट 5% है. इवन अगर किसानों के कहने पे बिल्स वापस भी ले लिए जाते हैं और फिर से रीमेंड होके आ जाते हैं, स्टिल द फार्मर्स प्रॉब्लम or problem of the nation is likely to be touched by just 5 to 10%. Rest 90% nobody is discussing, which are related to which state, which crop should be sown, cash crops, rotational crop system, oil seeds, cereals. Punjab's agriculture, Punjab's environment is not conducive for paddy, rice, because it is not moisture rich area. Paddy is best if cultivated in areas which are coastal, near to sea, because of natural humidity factor. Odisha and other coastal areas. We are sowing seeds here, this rice seeds here. Somebody from past agriculture university only, he had made a presentation. He said 5,000 liters of water is needed for 1 kg of rice, and because of which our water levels have been going down tremendously. Already in some areas जिन्होंने बोरवेल किया हुआ था उनको नए बोरवेल करने पड़ रहे हैं. 150 कहीं पे 100 मीटर था, 150 मीटर 300 मीटर तक पहुंच रहे हैं वाटर लेवल. और क्यों? क्योंकि we are the most irrigated state. 99 point some percent is the irrigation level of Punjab because of rivers, etc. But that, and free electricity on tubes, etc., etc. So and paddy is procured by the government. So Kisan feels mera risk covered hai. So there are plus and minuses. So this is where that उस बारे में तो कोई बात ही नहीं कर रहा. So the problem we will discuss. There are some things for which state is responsible, some things for which state is responsible, but at center and state, and unfortunately, on most of the areas, both are not taking any responsibility. Paddy burning का issue था, कोई भी water footing में काम नहीं कर रहा. We needed baling machines, lot of baling machines, and we have जितनी चाहिए उसका सिर्फ maybe less than 1% number of baling machines have been provided by the center and state together to the farmers. So again, whatever we are discussing system, if we blame farmer कि यार वो जलाता है पैडी, वही धुआं कर रहा है सब, ठीक है कर वो रहा है, but why do we hold him responsible only? Let us see where the system is faulty. We as citizens need to be alarmed. Unfortunately, we are not. Situation is very risky and very bad. So we will face some realities when we do some of the future discussions, etc. Dying units, लुधियाना में effluent treatment plant EFT होता है. It costs 1.5 to 4 lakh something because as per the size. But very few dying units in Ludhiana have that. So drainage is happening in the Nala, and there is a Nala behind Hamra Road उस तरफ को. It is just like a river, black river, totally black river. यहाँ से लेके उधर तक कम से कम 30-40 फुट चौड़ा है. जहाँ पे वो हॉर्स शू कैफे है उसके साथ आता है. बुड्ढा नाला बोलता है. I saw it and it was hitting, flowing like a river and total black money. अब ये समझ लें कि वो सीप तो हो ही गई, उसका जो केमिकल है, गंदगी है, वो नीचे जाना ही है. फिर हमारे को पानी मिलना है, वो म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन से जितना मर्जी प्यूरिफायर लगा लें, उसके अंदर इम्प्योरिटीज आनी है. दैट इज हाउ कैंसर इज स्प्रेडिंग. Implications, we need to be alarmed as citizens. Implication of everything, short term, long term. Then पहले चीज अपनों बनना है अवेयर सिटीजन, तब हम अगला स्टेप कर पाएंगे फिट फॉर टू बी मैनेजर, फ्यूचर मैनेजर. नॉर्मली आप लोग विल सी द ट्रेड्स. So if systems work, then people do not have to slog, then people will rarely make mistakes. अगर सिस्टम है टू टेक केयर ऑफ थिंग्स, इट विल बी. अपनी प्रॉब्लम 99% इसीलिए सिस्टम फॉल्टी है, बहुत भयंकर फॉल्टी है, कोई अकाउंटेबिलिटी नहीं है. एसपी साहब की, आप पुलिस कमिश्नरेट का ना वो देखें, इतनी बड़ी हायरार्की है. एक पहले वाला अगला पॉइंट बता दूं फिर कहीं. इफ वी गिव सम एग्जांपल्स रिलेटेड टू सम पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, एमएलए, एमपीज, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा, डिसीजंस, सिचुएशंस, पास्ट स्टूडेंट्स और सम डिपार्टमेंट्स लाइक pollution control, police, etc. Please don't take it personally. किसी के पापा can be MLA, किसी के पापा can be minister. एक बार ऐसे ही हुआ, I was giving an example. The daughter of that gentleman was here, and then lot of phone calls I had to receive, etc. But I was clear. ठीक है, we were discussing about what is the accountability of MLA or a minister. Okay, we should not have named a person, but in future we will avoid naming. But the point is, we need to know where is the problem. अकाउंटेबिलिटी नहीं है अपने देश में, ना सिविल सर्वेंट्स की है, और ये बहुत बड़ा लकूना है हमारे देश की इनएफिशिएंट सिचुएशन का. कमिश्नर ऑफ पुलिस, अगर आप उनके हायरार्की देखो, देयर आर अराउंड 208 एटलीस्ट आई थिंक 150 odd IPS and other senior people in Commissionerate of Ludhiana. नीचे नीचे जाते जाते कमिश्नर है, फिर ADCP, फिर ADCP क्राइम, ADCP ट्रैफिक, ADCP इन्वेस्टिगेशन, ADCP फलाना etc. And then additional ADCPs, then DCPs etc. Real area wise, then SHOs. तामझाम बहुत बड़ा है. एक बंदे को government would be spending approximately 2 lakh rupees on his house, गड्डी, his guard, and for him to perform well. But unfortunately no accountability. ट्रैफिक रुकता है शहर का. अगर कोई अच्छे कमिश्नर साहब आ गए जिनकी कॉन्शियस क्लियर है और जो चाहते हैं, जो सोचते हैं कि मैं अगर तनख्वाह ले रहा हूँ लाख रुपए की और 2 लाख रुपए की डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट बेनिफिट ले रहा हूँ सरकार से, तो मुझे काम करना है, तो ही विल वर्क. बट इफ ही इज नॉट हैविंग इनर कॉन्शियस वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, देन ही विल आल्सो गो टू ऑफिस, रिलैक्स डे, इवनिंग में किधर क्या सतलुज क्लब क्या मीटिंग है क्या नहीं है, he will also pass his time and go away with a promotion. और हम लोग यहाँ पखवाल रोड पे जाम झेलेंगे, जगह जगह पे जाम झेलेंगे, और हमारे नाम से पुलिस वाला नहीं भी हुआ, कहीं उधर डाइवर्ट होकर 2 किलोमीटर से घूम के आ जाओ, आज इधर रश बहुत ज्यादा है, इधर ज्यादा है, इधर सड़कों की इंक्रोचमेंट्स बढ़ जाती हैं. अभी एक कमिश्नर साहब यहाँ अच्छे हैं हमारे, राकेश अग्रवाल, ही टुक लॉट ऑफ इनिशिएटिव, चलान किए, तो कुछ सड़क पे कई सड़कें हमें खुली मिलती हैं थोड़ी बहुत. बट अगेन इट वाज नॉट दैट ही इज द फर्स्ट कमिश्नर, इट इज नॉट दैट द रूल्स वर नॉट देयर, इट इज, एंड द पॉइंट इज इज नॉट अकाउंटेबल. PWD कितने खड्डे हैं, कितने एक्सीडेंट्स हो रहे हैं, कितनी रोड एक्सीडेंट्स एंड डेथ्स हो रही हैं, nobody is bothered. 9 lakh people in India, write down, these are some bullet points. Approximately 9 lakh people in India die every year in road accidents. You can use, अब जो आपको 5 points मिलेंगे ना, इन पे भी और टॉपिक्स पे भी, ये आपने कहीं 1 या 2 चला दिए GD में, ग्रुप डिस्कशन में, राइटिंग असेसमेंट टेस्ट में, एज एग्जांपल्स, या इंटरव्यू में, आपका काम हो गया. This you can check it from any newspaper. I had read it in Times of India. More than 9 lakh people, you Google it, people die in India. How many people die in India due to road accidents? There was a news on the Times of India what I had read. More than 9 lakh people they die because of road accidents every year. किसी का brother है, किसी की sister है, किसी के मम्मी पापा है. And we are so sensitive about, yes, we should be about terrorism and all, but has Prime Minister or Minister of Road and Transport, Gadkari, taken any initiative on this? Have we seen it? Visibly nothing. लाइसेंस बनाना इतना आसान है, वो क्वेश्चंस कैसे पूछते हैं, क्या मिशन होता है, क्या यू टर्न है, एटसेट्रा, वेरी इजी. एंड इफ somebody who has a license here, he goes to Canada, my experience is they tell we need months before we are ready to get license. There are gadgets put, they check your eyeball movement on different situations. If you are driving, have you, before taking turn, have you looked on this mirror, have you looked on this mirror, and have you looked in the back mirror, and then have you given indicator, how much turn you took, how much time you waited after looking here and there, everything is monitored before you are given a license. अपने इधर नंबर प्लेट के भी बगैर बड़ी गड्डियां चल रही हैं. तो दैट इज द वर्स्ट लेवल ऑफ अगेन सिस्टम फेलियर. नंबर प्लेट ही नहीं है, बुलेट के ऊपर बस निशान बने हुए हैं अलग अलग से, किसी ने ड्रैगन बनाया हुआ, किसी ने कुछ बनाया हुआ, नंबर प्लेट की जगह. तो आप क्या पकड़ोगे किसी को? पहला ही का इज नंबर प्लेट ट्रैकिंग, देन इज लाइसेंस. वही क्लीन बोर्ड है. ट्रक ड्राइवर्स हैं, उनके दे sometimes consume different types of drugs. The problem with the truck driver is again not truck driver system. They work for 14 hours, they drive for 18 hours. Bus drivers कहना बड़ा आसान है, बस ड्राइवर बेकार होते हैं. वो रेवाड़ी से चलते हैं, चंडीगढ़ तक आते हैं, 8 घंटे का एक तरफ का ड्राइव है, 1 घंटा वेट करते हैं, फिर वापस रेवाड़ी. 16 hours they drive constantly. Is it a system? Where is the system to take care of his health? Then they sleep on the station. तो वहाँ बस स्टैंड में उनके बेड्स लगे होते हैं ऊपर. चंडीगढ़ में भी ऐसे ही. फिर नेक्स्ट डे दे गिव ड्यूटी. पुलिस अगेन सिस्टम, पुलिस वी कैन डिस्कस. We can criticize our constables, policemen, etc. But what are the salaries they are getting? Not at all good. Constable in a city gets around 16,000 rupees in hand, 15 or 16,000. If he has a family of 4, how will he survive? Prime Minister की salary भी कम है. I think on paper it is 1,40,000 something. Then allowances. And we talk, he's the Prime Minister. Okay, power center, allocation of funds. He's a servant to us, the Prime Minister of the country. Which he talks, मैं प्रधान सेवक हूँ. Though there are many deviations on that. But the point is, he is getting salary for serving us. That is the case with all ministers, all MLAs, MPs. They are public servants, they are supposed to serve us well. So, system, there were some problems for sure when constitution was framed. B.R. Ambedkar thought executives are there, parallel body I am keeping judiciary, which will keep a check on them, and then media will be independent, third pillar of democracy. All will keep on fighting with each other, so they will highlight each other then. And the system became so faulty, everybody started scratching, you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours. आराम से. आज भी आप देखोगे मीडिया भी एक टॉपिक है which we will discuss. So again we have to look in all the 90% लोग ना ये मिस्टेक करते हैं. इंटरव्यू में भी, जीडी में भी, राइटिंग असेसमेंट टेस्ट में भी, वो जिसके बारे में टॉपिक होता है उसके बारे में प्रो या नेगेटिव करने शुरू हो जाते हैं. अगर आप सिस्टम रिलेटेड पॉइंट लेके आओगे और आगे आएगा सोल्यूशन, तो आपका काम हो गया. Then you are little away from the crowd, and that is what we have to get. You know, वो लोग बेचारे रोज के कम से कम नहीं तो 100 बंदों का इंटरव्यू करेंगे. 100 में से जो 99 उनको मिलेगा एक टाइप का फ्लेवर. अगर आप भी वही लेके जाओगे तो क्या will they feel good or bad? Tell me yes or no. क्या इतना ढीला नो? Of course they will not feel good. यार वही बोर हो गए. कोई फ्रेशनेस लेके आएगा, कोई आइडिया लेके आएगा, कोई ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का पॉइंट लेके आएगा. लीडरशिप दिखती है उसमें दिखता है कि आप में दम है, और वो एक ट्रेट है व्हाट दे लुक इनटू यू. लीडरशिप की ट्रेट है. कैन यू बी फ्यूचर लीडर, कैन यू बी बिजनेस लीडर, कैन यू बी ए मैनेजर, बिकॉज दे आर सपोज्ड टू क्रिएट बिजनेस लीडर्स. रोहित सर, जगदीप जी फोन ही कर दो उन्होंने. क्या हुआ, नहीं चला?
नहीं सर, यहीं से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा.
चलाया था बटन?
हाँ जी.
ध्यान से आना, ध्यान से. As if you are already selected for a top MBA college जिसमें आप जाना चाहते हो for a professional manager position. Do not expect spoon feeding. Start doing effort from your side. Initiate some things, search some things, and अपना जो ग्रुप है उसमें भी आप you can keep sharing. एक आपने कुछ शेयर किया वैट से रिलेटेड, ऐसे ही we have to help each other. Somebody shared with me about IITs. I immediately shared in the group which IITs are accepting non-engineers. सबको क्यों effort करना पड़े? We should multiply our effort. No one should miss any class. Come late to the class without prior intimation. अगर कुछ लोग नहीं आ रहे तभी हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं रिकॉर्ड करें ताकि उनको we can give somebody has some problem medical at his house, so they are not able to come. So you just inform. It does not look good that you just don't inform and come after 1 hour. Listen to each and every question point very carefully. If we discuss it here, or if I am giving feedback to some A, B, C, D person, आपको भी वो क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है, ये समझें. जब किसी की मॉक इंटरव्यू हो रही है तो assume that the mock interview question, what is your answer on it? अगर आपसे इमीडिएट पूछेगा इमीडिएटली आंसर क्या करोगे, ये नहीं कि उसका सुनने के बाद ही, वहां तो क्या पता क्या क्वेश्चन आएगा. So how promptly you think, are you developing your brain into a cycle where you will look at system, where you will look at short term, long term, where you will look at balanced answer, pro and con of a topic, दोनों देखोगे. ये 3-4 मेन चीजें हैं. As soon as a question is asked, what is the short term implication, what is the long term implication, what is the positive of this, what is the negative of it, both things, frame of mind उस हिसाब से हो जाना चाहिए. Do not speak to each other when class is going on. कोई टॉपिक है, कोई बंदा प्रेजेंट कर रहा है, किसी की मौके, किसी को क्वेश्चन है, हाथ खड़ा करें. आइडियली इंटरव्यू खत्म होगी तो हम उसको फीडबैक देंगे, फिर आपसे भी पूछ लेंगे ओपिनियन. टॉपिक पे भी अगर 10 लोग यहाँ जीडी के लिए वॉलंटियर करके आएंगे, उनकी जीडी खत्म होगी तो आई विल गिव यू चांस, जो पीछे बैठे हैं आप लोगों ने भी अपने पॉइंट्स लिखने कि भाई आपका व्यू क्या है इस टॉपिक में. देन वी विल समराइज एट द एंड. तो ये नहीं करेंगे उनकी डिस्कशन चल रही है, आप आपस में डिस्कशन पीछे शुरू करो, फिर आई कांट डू जस्टिस इन गिविंग देम मार्क्स बिकॉज मेरा ध्यान आपकी तरफ डाइवर्ट हो जाए. ओके, what differentiates a winner from loser? Winner is always part of the answer solution and is ready to help others. The loser always is part of the problem, has a long list of excuses. Winner always enjoys and stays focused on things at hand. When you are inside this class for 4 hours, 5 hours, you are here 100% like this. And enjoy when you are, playing hard, koi party hai to. The loser normally ends up mixing the two with the tilt towards play hard. Winner is ready to go out of his or her comfort zones and dares to take risks. Loser says, why should I stretch? Let me relax. Choice of side is of course ours. We choose where we want to be, this side or that side. Achievers and non-achievers have one thing common: 24 hours. Everyone is gifted these 24 hours. How we use them distinguishes or separates achievers from non-achievers. What matters is how we use them. Difficult doesn't mean impossible, it simply means you have to work hard at it. This guy was rejected for fast bowler trials in Chandigarh. इंडिया में फास्ट बॉलर कहाँ बनते हैं यार, तो बेवकूफ है. जिस टाइम ये ट्रायल देने गया था तो कहते क्रिकेट बैटिंग करें यार, बैट्समैन चलते हैं इंडिया में, गवास्कर, विंगसरकर, सारे बैटिंग बैट्समैन को जानते हैं, फास्ट बॉलर तो आते रहते जाते रहते हैं, तो फास्ट बॉलर कहाँ बनते हैं इंडिया में. बट ही persistently followed his passion and then he lifted the cup and at a point he became the first leading wicket taker for India. उसके बाद और लोगों ने रिकॉर्ड तोड़े. So the point is one thing very 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 important. जिधर भी इंटरव्यू देने जा रहे हो, have it very clear in your mind they are sitting there to select you. वो लोग आपको देखने के लिए, सुनने के लिए, आपको चूज करने के लिए बैठे हैं, रिजेक्ट करने के लिए नहीं बैठे. अब जो 100 बच्चों में से अपने आप को अच्छा प्रेजेंट करेगा, मैं बढ़िया हूं, मुझे सिलेक्ट कर लिए, उसे वो कर लेंगे. क्लियर है? They don't sit with a negative frame of mind, to be very clear. So what we need to know is अपने में क्या अच्छा है और why I should be selected. Every one of you need to have 10 reasons why you should be selected. अभी तो अपने को, अभी मैं पूछ लूँ ना, आपको क्यों नहीं होगी सिलेक्शन? क्योंकि मैं ये हूँ, क्योंकि ये है, क्योंकि ये है, बड़े पॉइंट होंगे. मेरा तो ये ड्रॉबैक है, मेरा तो ये इशू है, मेरा ये नहीं अच्छी है प्रोफाइल, ये गैप, फलाना ढिमका. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is not a winner's mindset. We need to change it a bit. We need to know. अपने पास 10 होंगे ना, 2 तो हम चला ही देंगे वहां से तीर. They will ask you why we should select you, why not somebody else, why you, how you, what you will bring to our IM class, what will you bring to our college. So please start giving yourself positive strokes from now onward. जो नेगेटिव दिमाग में बैठा हुआ था छोटे होते से, फ्रेंड से सुन के, पेरेंट्स से सुन के, मोहल्ले से सुन के, गली से सुन के, कॉलेज से सुन के, एटसेट्रा, कि तेरा तो कुछ नहीं होना यार, तो बस इतना ही हो जाए, टाइम पास ही हो जाए, इतना ही हो जाए, सब खत्म. you are the best, I am the best. Tell yourself. It works. And without this nothing will work. अपने हम सबसे अच्छे दोस्त बन सकते हैं, अपने सबसे अच्छे दुश्मन बन सकते हैं. Tell yourself every day in the morning and even before sleeping. Just close your eyes. I am the best. I can do it. God is always with me. I am a winner. Today and every day is my day. Self belief. मैं मजाक में कहता होता हूँ, अगली स्लाइड्स में भी आएगा. You have to have 300% confidence in yourself. किसी ने पूछा था 300% क्या होता है, इंटरव्यू में पूछ लिया किसी ने. If we don't feel that you should be selected, कहता no sir I am 300% confident. उस टाइम 130 बोलते होते थे हम. वही बोल दिया I am 130% confident that I will be selected. वो कहते 100 होता है यार, 130 का क्या मतलब है. कहता सर 130 means I am more than confident that I should be selected because blah 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 blah, and he was selected. नहीं अभी नहीं, बाद में जब इंटरव्यू होंगी तब दे देना. He went to Christ in Bangalore. शिवू प्रीत is his name, BTech. उसके बाद 10.5 लाख का उसका वहां से पैकेज लगा in an insurance company. Very good package as per Christ standards. Doing very well in life. तो पॉइंट ये था कि बीच में टेबल होगा जहाँ आपकी इंटरव्यू होती है फिजिकल फॉर्म में. नहीं तो चलो ऑनलाइन हो रहा है तो भी बीच में डिस्टेंस है. तो अगर उधर 100 है कॉन्फिडेंस, तो कुछ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस टेबल का लेके इधर गिरते गिरते 80-70 पहुंचेगा. अगर उधर हाई है तो अपने आप ही विल गेट कनेक्ट. 80% गेम इज कॉन्फिडेंस और डरने का नहीं है. इधर जो मॉक इंटरव्यूज आप दे दोगे उससे वहां पे मॉक इंटरव्यू लाइट होंगे. इधर आप 70-60 लोगों के सामने भी दोगे. बच्चे आते थे कहते सर वहां तो हमको ऐसे लगा लेफ्ट हैंड था, कुछ था ही नहीं, आराम से गए, 2 बंदे बैठे थे पूल से उनकी इंटरव्यू, आप लोग तो फिर भी थोड़ा टाइट कर रहे थे. कई बार दे विल पुट प्रेशर ऑन यू. उसका भी ऑब्जेक्टिव है. दे बिलीव एंड इट इज ए साइकोलॉजिकल थ्योरी कि अंडर व्हेन यू आर अंडर स्ट्रेस your real you is likely to come out easily for them. So they try to put you under stress sometimes so that अगर आप ज्यादा प्रिपरेशन करके आए हो, सोच के आए हो ये बोलना ये नहीं बोलना, you will get all that will be forgotten and then your real you will come out. So they try to and अगर आप impulsive हो, गुस्सा हो जाते हो, आर्गुमेंटेटिव हो, तो फट से 1 2 3 4 बार वो पूछेंगे आपसे. अगर आपने बस कर दिया तो गए. और वो एक आयाम दूसरे आयाम के लिए भी ऐसी जो फीडबैक होती है. इंटीग्रिटी से रिलेटेड कोई आ जाए, इंटीग्रिटी की झूठ बोल रहा है बंदा या गोलीबाज है या कि भाई वो बहुत ज्यादा इंपल्सिव है. तो मुझे लगता है मैंने जो ओवर द ईयर देखा है, आयाम्स पुट इट इन देयर पोर्टल इंटरव्यू का जो आपस में होता है उनका कुछ लिंक है. तो आप जब दूसरी इंटरव्यू देने जाते हो इट हैज इट्स इफेक्ट. देन वी हैव सीन दे आर पोकिंग यू ऑन दोज एरियाज मोर. This is the classroom of IIM Indore. This is the library of IIM Indore. On one floor, that is the ground floor, approximately 250,000 books are there. The resource available to you. Why I am showing you this is so that when they ask you why I am Indore, why I am Bangalore, why I am Calcutta, why I am ABCD college, you can use this, search on their sites what unique good things they have. In the basement of this library they have a learning center where approximately 150 PCs are there, and you name the software in the world which is available for the students for free. Data analytics, the access to all FT ratings, FT FT companies full trajectory year by year for last 40 years, 50 years, income statements, balance sheets, annual reports, whatever you want to. If you want to make a, because research students also go there and they use the same resources, so all that resource is available to you when you are in a top college. And this is a photograph taken from a hostel of IIM Indore. They have a huge stadium where you can play 2 football matches together and I think 2 or 3 cricket matches together. This is a I think somewhere here they have this side they have their gym and also their swimming pool and other equipment, badminton courts inside, etc. This guy was a diploma holder, Hindi medium till 10th. Father unfortunately lost when at a very young age. He used to work in shifts in Trident in plant, but still he finally scored 99.79 in ZAT, 96 in CAT. He cleared IIM Shillong. He completed his IIM Shillong. Today he is in senior position at Tata Steel in sales. He had come here for doing a GD with our future batches. This guy Abhiraj is now in London. He was with Ola Cabs earlier. Now with another top company, CFO there. He did his MBA from IIT Madras. So if he could do it, any one of you can do it. Even till now, when Mohit come, till recent time he used to visit. Sometimes where has have to be used, he used to use have, because grammar and English was never his strength. He made RC as his strength. He used to share कि जब मैंने preparation start की थी, द हिंदू में पूरा पढ़ता 3.5-4 घंटे लगते थे. End में वो कहता मैं 1.5 घंटे में पूरा पढ़ लेता. Reading speed improved, vocab improved, GK improved. So these are the offices you get if you do MBA from top college. This guy, Abohar farmer's son from a Abohar village, Punjabi medium background. First attempt he got 98.79. He cleared IIM Lucknow, and he was here 4-5 months. This before the lockdown, he was here to meet us. And these are the pictures he shared of his office, Barclays, Pune. This is the kind of office you get. 5-star hotel जैसे offices मिलते हैं. So, is it worth it? Yes or no? Yes. किसी को कोई doubt, जिसको कोई 0.1% भी doubt है ना कि मुझे MBA करनी चाहिए या नहीं, या top college में जाना चाहिए या नहीं, he or she should not go for interview. Not waste his or her time and not waste interview panel's time. कई लोगों की इंटरव्यू 3 मिनट में भी खत्म हो जाती है. Because one of the very important factor they are looking into you is zeal. भूख है बंदे को कि नहीं है, ये इसको कितनी जरूरत है इस MBA एडमिशन की. क्योंकि एक उनका की रिजल्ट एरिया ये भी होता है टीचर्स का जो इंटरव्यू कर रहे थे कि those you select at least 80% of them or 70% of them should join us. ऐसो को मत सिलेक्ट कर लो जो वेट लिस्ट ही हमारी मूवमेंट बढ़वा दें. Waitlist movement, no college likes a long movement in their wait list. So they are looking into you. We'll check. We have a synopsis of it also. Zeal is also very important. So first and foremost thing जिसका कोई compromise नहीं है किसी भी इंटरव्यू में, that is values, ethics and integrity. गोली दी तो गोली लग जाएगी. झूठ नहीं बोलना है. बी ट्रूथफुल रहेंगे, हमारे फेस पे, आईज पे सब झलकेगा. और ये लोग जो इंटरव्यू लेते हैं दे आर बॉडी लैंग्वेज एक्सपर्ट्स. दे हैव बीन ट्रेन्ड और 10-20 साल से दे हैव बीन टेकिंग इंटरव्यूज. बैलेंस व्यू पॉइंट. ट्रम्प एज ए प्रेसिडेंट, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव बोथ, short and long term impact on USA. We will discuss this when we discuss the topics. General awareness, important issues, depth of subject studied, confidence level, communication skills. ये क्या है, आज अपन कॉलेज में पढ़ के नहीं आए स्टैटिस्टिक्स, जो +2 में भी बीकॉम वालों का स्टैटिस्टिक्स का सब्जेक्ट है, बीकॉम में भी है, और हम बोलेंगे स्टैटिस्टिक्स आई वाज नॉट गुड एट, एंड देन हाउ यू विल बी गुड एट व्हाट दे विल टीच यू इन MBA प्रोग्राम. इंजीनियर है, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर, मेटलर्जी आई वाज नॉट गुड, स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मटेरियल आई वाज नॉट गुड, ऑटोमोबाइल वाज नॉट माय फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट. तो भैया उधर नहीं था फेवरेट तो इधर कैसे होएगा. थर्मोडायनामिक्स. सो व्हिचएवर यू हैव, व्हाटएवर सब्जेक्ट्स यू हैव स्टडीड. आज इन्होंने हमने कुछ क्वेश्चंस भेजे हैं आपको, कुछ और भी वी विल सेंड इन द, आई थिंक बीकॉम वालों के तो 400 कुछ क्वेश्चंस भेजे. एक बच्ची थी यहीं बैठी थी, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू नेम हर. She went for I think इंदौर की इंटरव्यू थी उसकी, and she was asked a question जो आपको लिस्ट दी गई ना 427 में, 8वें नंबर पे वो क्वेश्चन है about standard deviation and something like that. And she had not started preparing those questions. So she was asked question from the first page, नहीं आया. एक और question उन्होंने पूछा कुछ PC से related statistics से, तो she said statistics is not my strong area, accounts is. वो कहते thank you, we have evaluated you. Can't be just saying कि सिर्फ accounts, basics तो आने ही होंगे ना. प्लस टू में किया, फिर अपन ने बीकॉम में किया जो चीज, उसको अगर हम उसमें वीक होंगे, वो कैसे समझेगा कि आप पढ़ोगे अच्छे से कि नहीं पढ़ोगे? वो ये देखेगा पीछे से क्या करके आया बच्चा, उसको गहराई है. तो अगर जिसने भी स्पेशलाइजेशन करनी है उसकी आई यूज्ड टू रिकमेंड टाटा मैकग्रा-हिल की बुक ले लें. जिसने एचआर में करनी है एचआर की ले लें, फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट में करनी है फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट की बुक ले लें. पीयू वाली से नहीं होगा काम. टाटा मैकग्रा-हिल पर्टिकुलर एरिया जिसमें आप एमबीए करना चाहते हो उसकी अच्छे ऑथर्स होते हैं, उसमें केस स्टडीज भी होती हैं, कुछ एनुअल रिपोर्ट्स के कंपैरिजंस भी होते हैं. बाय ए बुक और उसको रगड़ दो thoroughly, then you can give examples while some question is asked. Tata McGraw-Hill is the publisher. They go for quality authors and over the years I have seen their quality of books is very good. So जिसने एचआर में करना है वो एचआर मैनेजमेंट की बुक लेके रगड़ ले, जिसने फाइनेंस में करना है वो फाइनेंस, मार्केटिंग वाला मार्केटिंग के लिए प्रविंदर सर यूज्ड टू रिकमेंड फिलिप कॉटलर आल्सो, उसको भी पढ़ लें. और प्लस जो मार्केटिंग कैंपेन्स वगैरह लेटेस्ट.
Sir, can you tell the class that there's a video of Philip Kotler, 3 videos of Philip Kotler where he defined marketing completely. It's a 1 hour or 1.5 hour. And
it is also good supplementary.
Yeah.
But in the book there will be some examples, more examples.
Sir, he mentioned 4 P's of marketing.
Yeah, that is
and all everything and with example and cases.
Accurate. That is good, but book will have 70-80% more, some more examples. Plus what you will give from life. They will ask you which is the latest marketing campaign you are liking, why? And then they will try to understand your thinking, your mindset, your power to understand psyche of the customer, or why ad is good, why ad is not good. They will also ask you which is the worst ad you have seen in last 4-5 months. तो अपन ये तो कह नहीं सकते ad देखते ही नहीं हम. So प्लस कौन सी है माइनस कौन सी है, एक बच्चे को टॉपिक मिलेगा भी है. He or she will prepare some points on that. Goal clarity. We must know where we want to be 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line. Suitability for future roles, for example, management, lawyer, etc. Ability to handle pressure, stress. This is very important. Teamwork, resilience, ambitious. अब आपकी 90% इंटरव्यू बेकार गई, लास्ट में 10% में वो फिर आपको थोड़ा सा चांस देंगे कि टू चेक आर यू रेजिलिएंट या गिव अप कर दिया. डू यू गिव अप इजीली और यू विल लाइक टू स्टिल टेल देम कि नहीं 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 आई कैन स्टिल कम बैक. ये जील का भी रिफ्लेक्शन होता है. विल टॉक इन द नेक्स्ट. जील. एक लड़की की इंटरव्यू थी. दे सेड यार अभी तो तुम्हारा लास्ट ये इंटरव्यू है, we have already interviewed 150 people, we don't feel like asking you any question, you can go, we'll give you some marks just based on what we saw you while you came in. अब एक अप्रोच है उठ के चले जाओ. Second approach is again they were trying to check most probably zeal. So you have to tell, no sir, I think I have worked very hard for this interview, even though I may be the last today, but I may not be the last to reach your college, but I'll be in the, I like to reach your college in the first list. So I think you are going to interview people for next few days also. So I request you that kindly evaluate me. Don't use the word evaluate me properly. Unnecessary. They are just trying to play with you, but you don't get into that game, and don't start using such words that you start teaching them their job. Please evaluate me properly. You are not okay. So we don't know our job. You will tell us what is the meaning of properly. What do you think we should evaluate? No sir, you should ask some questions. They're unnecessary. You are getting into the trap which they wanted you to be. So be resilient. नहीं sir, I think sir I have done well to reach to this stage. I'm very close to getting into your college. I think maybe you are just telling it on the lighter side, but you will surely evaluate me. तो वो कहेंगे नहीं यार हम थक गए हैं अभी बंदा है क्या पूछे तुमसे. What would you like us to ask you? This is also has happened in more than 50% interviews. What would you like us to ask you? Sir, you can ask me something about current affairs. Okay, तुम ही बता दो यार क्या current affairs चल रहे हैं आजकल. Which is the most important current affair? Which is today important for our country? फिर आप बताओगे why? अब साथ ही बता देना सब कुछ. Poking questions should be minimum. मतलब उन्होंने आपसे कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछा, आपने समझना है और ऐसा आंसर देना है कि उसमें उसी से रिलेटेड क्लियर करने के लिए ना है. What does your father do? He is into business. So then what kind of business? This hosiery business, trading or manufacturing? Trading. आपने अपने 3 मिनट गवा मतलब कुछ सेकंड्स गवा दिए इंटरव्यू पे. जो आप सीधा आंसर ऐसे my father is into hosiery items, trading business. सीधी कहानी. My father is into retail steel items outlet center. He runs an outlet center. He has a distributorship of this. Clear answer. Poking question पूछ लेगा वो आपके related आपकी जानकारी से उसको कुछ नहीं याद रखना. But unnecessary you'll have to ask. You are working. What is your so what do you do? Sir, I work for TCS. And we are expecting him to tell us what do you do in there, etc. You yourself give it a full answer on that particular thing. So what do you do? Sir, I work for TCS. I am into software development. I have been into software development and also on the testing side. And this is my role till now. And here I am. जो poking questions avoid होने चाहिए. Answer should be such कि सीधी कहानी clear. Logical and clear answers. अब 80% लोग उनको MBA के जो cramped answers होते हैं वही सुनाएंगे. Why do you want to do an MBA? Sir, MBA from a top reputed college like IIM Ahmedabad will give me great exposure, great learning, excellent environment, etc. etc. अब 90% ने उनको सुना दिया ये गाना सुर से. ये उनको अपील करेगा. यहाँ अगर कोई बंदा ये कहेगा सर I have done my BTech, I have out of the options in front of me, one of the option is I could have gone for job. I can go for job. Second option is I can come for an MBA. Third option is I can go for MTech. As per the feedback of my seniors and the experiences I have seen during my internship, अगर आप fresher जा रहे हो ऐसे BTech वाले, and during my internship is that the growth and the roles which MBA pass outs get, they are much better and different as compared to the roles what the BTech or MTech pass outs get. So that's the prime reason why I have chosen MBA above these options. आपने क्लियरली उसको 3 ऑप्शन बताई. मेरे सामने क्या ऑप्शन है, क्यों मैं उन ऑप्शन को छोड़ के MBA की तरफ जा रहा हूँ, व्हाट है आंसर. अब खुद सोचो उसको ये पसंद आएगा या थ्योरेटिकल रटा हुआ आंसर पसंद आएगा. बताएं रियलिटी ऑफ लाइफ क्या है, क्यों जाना चाहते हैं हम. क्यों? क्योंकि बीकॉम वालों को क्या मिलती है, वेरी लेस डाटा एंट्री जॉब्स, वेरी लो एंड प्रोफाइल्स, बैक एंड ऑपरेशंस. और MBA वालों को फ्रंट एंड जॉब्स, मार्केटिंग, कस्टमर इंटरेक्शन एक्सेट्रा. तो यहीं से आपका वो भी आंसर आ जाता है कि why don't you come for MBA after 2 years? So the kind of profile our seniors have got, they are mostly data entry type jobs and back end operation jobs. They are not into client interaction, business analytics, etc. They are just into entry jobs or data entry. So that is why that kind of profile is not going to give me much or leverage or learning post which an MBA will help. Clear? अब आपसे आज पूछेंगे जो इंटरव्यू में आंसर इसी तरह आना चाहिए. शुभम जी क्लियर है? कोट करो अपने एग्जांपल सीनियर्स के जहां आप कुछ नहीं बोल सकते. आप whatever I have learned from my seniors, इसको कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट नहीं कर सकता कोई बंदा. और जो रियलिटी है जिसके लिए आप MBA करना जा रहे हो, learning, exposure, career growth, profiles, exposure, all that is good. But then tell them what are the options I have. As a BCom, I have option. I could have gone for MCom, and then there is a teach. Don't say teaching line is not good. They are teachers who are interviewing you. So you have to be very careful, delicate in choosing your words. Don't ridicule the person who is there on the other side of the panel. They are 99.9% they will be teachers. So don't say after MCOM I could have done PhD and then gone for teaching. Teaching is not that great. I don't like teaching भी ना कहो. अपना positive बोलो ना. My interest is more towards management. After BCom I could have gone for MCom and then doctorate, and then I could have, the path in that stream leads to teaching profiles. Somehow I am more inclined towards business opportunities, business profiles. This is how you answer this particular question. Unbiased, very difficult but very important. आज तक हमारे में से बहुत कम लोग अनबायस्ड होते हैं. बहुत रेयरली हम कह सकते हैं कि यार मेरी गलती थी. You might have heard, if there is a fight, we hear na, there is somebody's story, one side story, second side story, and there is truth. तो ये रेयर होता है कि जो बंदा जो इन्वॉल्व है वही सत्य बोले. But if we can do that, that is what we are expected to have, unbiased opinion. Attitude for learning new things, solution focus. आपसे पूछेगा what have you learned, what extra efforts you have made in your life so far to learn something new. So GD में content is the most important. GD खैर होनी नहीं है तो हम लोग थोड़ा फास्ट चलेंगे इस पे. Solutions लेके आने बहुत जरूरी है. अगर आपसे वो किसी प्रॉब्लम पे भी डिस्कशन करते हैं ना इंटरव्यू में भी, तो try to bring also solutions on the table. Very few people bring them. 99% of the people blame. ये प्रॉब्लम है, गवर्नमेंट नहीं करती, पुलिस नहीं करती, ये नहीं करता, कोई कुछ नहीं करता. What are the solutions? Salaries of policemen should be better. There should be reward to hardworking policemen and punishment for people who don't work. There are many people. अगर हमारे देश में मेरे somebody very close to me is in BSF. He was sharing at a very senior position. He was sharing कि 1 lakh ISA agents, active agents are present in India at any point of time. 1 lakh. And still, not every day we hear blasts. Not every day we hear terrorist acts, etc. So there are many people who work hard during day and night to keep ourselves safe on borders, across the borders, as intelligence officers, mixed with the local society. आपको पता है Ajit Doval was a Indian spy in Pakistan for years. Today, who is the Raj? This not the Raj, he is the National Security Advisor (NSA). For many years, he remained in Pakistan as a spy for India. So there are people who are working there, people who are working on border, people who are working inside India. Unfortunate part is those who do good, there is very seldom there is a fast growth or reward. That is the solution. जो corporates imply करते हैं, best achiever, star of the month, etc. Good increment, good growth for a person who is good, and punishment if somebody is not taking his job seriously. Same thing, government भी तो एक salary देके काम करा रही है, उनको भी तो कुछ incentives होने चाहिए. So those are the solutions. There should be reward schemes. There should be recognition. Now, whenever you have to build a top content, especially for writing assessment test, go to the origin of the topic, from where the topic is coming. Now, say topic you are given, peace with Pakistan is the topic. Then you have to analyze. Just abhi nahi, Pakistan is sending terrorists to India. We have hit them 2 times. We should hit them again. We should fight and get POK back, etc. That is the current situation in which 99% people will talk. You need to go to origin a bit. Why this topic has been given to you? This is critical. This is the differentiator over the years with our students. In GD or writing assessment test, if you use this technique, इसमें normally ये सब करते हैं, political, cultural, social. These two and solutions, these are unique points. Origin of the topic and solutions. Anna Hazare's movement for a strong Lokpal impact on democracy. If this was a topic, some people started discussing Anna Hazare is a great person. He lives in only 8 by 8 Kholi. He does not have an account. He's a great person. Blana Dimka. The topic was Anna Hazare's approach for a strong Lokpal impact on democracy. So Anna Hazare's approach was initially he kept on writing to governments. Then they sat on agitation. Then they became part of the committee, joint drafting committee. Then they moved out. Then they again sat on the 12 days unshan, etc., etc. So those are the steps. It definitely had a lot of positivity till that stage. It regenerated the faith of people in the power of protest. Power of peaceful protest is critical. Till 5 days back, तक अपना जो किसान आंदोलन था, I was a very big fan of it because they were doing so great, even not educated, not from very elite class, but still facing hardship, they were very peaceful. So जितना peaceful रहेगा उतना pressure बन रहा था government के ऊपर because other people were all supporting them. So even if the government has agreed to amend few things, bring something on MSP guarantee, include more items or not, it has not yet come out. But whatever, something government would be discussing for 4-5 hours with them in every meeting. So something government is proposing. So what government is proposing, if it is happening, it is why? It is because of the power of protest which is there in our democracy. Why Supreme Court did not tell them to leave their protest and move back? Because Supreme Court also understands that power of protest is important. It is important, very important, power of citizens. Because नहीं तो 5 साल बैठे रहे, कुछ भी करेंगे. You can't do anything. That's not fair. That's not democracy. Media already 95% or in fact 99.9% media is biased, playing into their hands. Seldom you would have seen media highlighting the real issues: unemployment, jobless growth, crime against women. कोई एक आधा केस होगा जिसमें चाहेगी गवर्नमेंट की उठाए इसको तो उठाया जाएगा, या अपने आप ही उठ जाएगा, बहुत ज्यादा आंदोलन हो जाएगा तब आता है लाइमलाइट. Which is not the job of media. They are supposed to, on our behalf, question the governments. So, origin of the topic, Anna Hazare's movement. You will talk about that in India, Lokpal bill has been getting delayed, was not becoming a bill. It was being discussed and referred to committee after committee for 30-40 years. And then this agitation was felt important. In the agitation, it made the youth aware, it made the citizens aware about the power of protest. So that was a positive for the democracy. It generated pressure on the government to consider implementation of Lokpal bill. That was positive. But after that, Anna Hazare started, there were few followers in another protest he launched in Mumbai. Then they gave up that protest. Then he started canvassing for Mamata Banerjee, whose party members were themselves corrupt. And then the party which came out of this agitation, that also started doing, but usko utre to mat jao, Anna Hazare ke movement mein us tak raho. In later part, when Anna started going and canvassing for some political party like Trinamool, etc., he joined hands with the parties which were then themselves not clean enough. So that was where it was not that great. So that was a negative. It hurt the future protest movements which he could have led, etc. So again, origin था क्यों लिया, किन steps में चला आंदोलन, कहाँ पे क्या positive था और क्या negative था. Technical aspects. Now Anna distanced himself from Aam Aadmi Party also when it was formed. He could have remained as an advisor to them, and he could have kept on pulling their strings. That would have been better for democracy. He said, I will not support any political party. And then after a few months, he started coming up with Trinamool Congress, at a joint agitation in Delhi. So this was, again, that was also a political party. So hypocrisy was not good at his level. So socially, politically, culturally, and solutions to the problem, technical aspects, environmental aspects, legal aspects. I think everyone is clear on this. किसी को कोई doubt? अब जैसे टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट्स आते हैं, क्रिकेट का आ रहे हैं, तो एक बार हमने यहाँ पे डिस्कशन कराई थी, उस दिन बहुत हॉट था इशू कि सीनियर प्लेयर्स लाइक सचिन, राहुल द्रविड़ एंड लक्ष्मण शुड बी ड्रॉप्ड बिकॉज इंडिया परफॉर्म्ड वेरी मिजरेबली इन द सीरीज ऑफ उस टाइम जो थी ऑस्ट्रेलिया और यूके में, लंदन में, इसमें यूके की सीरीज थी, तो इंडिया वाज टोटली वाइट वॉश्ड. तो वी गिव दैट टॉपिक. तो उसमें टेक्निकल इश्यूज में आता है कि हमारे इंडिया में बाउंसी ग्रीन पिचेस कहाँ हैं, जहाँ पे अनइवन एकदम से बाउंस मिल जाए, या फास्ट पिचेस नहीं बनती, तो वो बनानी चाहिए प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए. दैट वाज वन ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन व्हिच केम आउट. एंड देन conditions are different over there and here, so those kind of points will come under technical aspect.
So I couldn't get what you mean by the region of the topic.
नहीं पता लगा, चलो कोई बात नहीं. अब इंडिया पाकिस्तान वार की हमने बात की. पीस विद पाकिस्तान इज द टॉपिक गिवन टू यू. नाउ वन थिंग इज as we discussed, we started discussing today's situation in Pakistan. Another way is why this topic has become critical, why this topic has been given to you. The origin of the topic, कहाँ से आ रहा है टॉपिक, उसमें आएगा पाकिस्तान के साथ हम 2 बार फाइट कर चुके हैं. Both are nuclear armed. We are at present at a cold war situation with Pakistan. Any day it can lead to a war with them. So this is the origin of the topic. कहाँ से आया टॉपिक, नहीं सिर्फ कि आज के ऊपर ही हम डिस्कस करें. ठीक है, जैसे अन्ना हजारे का हमने एग्जांपल लिया, कैसे क्यों लोकपाल बिल नहीं आ रहा था 30 साल से, सेलेक्ट कमिटीज को होता जा रहा था, तो फिर अन्ना हजारे ने कहा कि चलो प्रोटेस्ट करते. तो वो ओरिजिन ऑफ द टॉपिक. फिर अन्ना हजारे की अप्रोच आगे. अब आज आपको पता है न्यूक्लियर आर्म्ड है दोनों. वो पता है चाइना ने बड़े सारे अपने प्लेन्स, अपने सबमरीन्स न्यूक्लियर आर्म पाकिस्तान को दे दिए हुए हैं पिछले 3-4 महीने में, और बहुत कुछ देता जा रहा है. देयर इज अ ट्रू फ्रंट वॉर, threat on us. China just did not go for the war with India because at a point, this particular point, USA very strongly came behind India, and China thought कि अगर इधर इंडिया से कंफ्लिक्ट लिया तो एक मौका मिल जाएगा सबको to attack China. So why peace with Pakistan? दोनों न्यूक्लियर आर्म्ड हैं, वो तो फिदाइन है, चला देंगे 3-4-5 न्यूक्लियर बम्स, फिर इंडिया चला देगा 40, मरेगा कौन, आम लोग हमारे जैसे. So this is why this is the origin of the topic कि क्यों important है डिस्कस करना. We have already fought 2 wars. We are at a cold war situation. Both are nuclear armed. Anytime anything can happen. So I think it is very important that we should try to find whatever little hope we have for peace with them. एक बड़ा अच्छा आर्टिकल था, A vulnerable Pakistan was bad for USA and world. That is what has happened now. हम लोग यूएसए को क्रिटिसाइज इंडिया करता था कि एड दे रहे हैं, पाकिस्तान को फंडिंग दे रहे हैं, ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं, बट अब नहीं दे रहे तो किसके पास चला गया वो, एक बड़े गुंडे के पास, ड्रैगन के पास. मनी भी ले रहा है बट ही इज यूजिंग हिम लाइक एनीथिंग. एट प्रेजेंट एज पर माई अंडरस्टैंडिंग पाकिस्तान इज अंडर ट्रमेंडस प्रेशर फ्रॉम चाइना टू अटैक इंडिया एनी डे, एंड पाकिस्तान इज टेलिंग बैक टू चाइना कि यार मैं अगर अभी करूंगा मेरा बलूचिस्तान में लफड़ा हो जाएगा, सिंध में लफड़ा हो जाएगा, पीओके में भी ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग मेरी होल्ड नहीं है, अंदर भी मेरे कोरोना चल रहा है, लोग भी, महंगाई भी बड़ी खतरनाक है, तो मैं इस टाइम अटैक नहीं कर सकता. कुड बी, एंड दैट इज हाउ पिछले 10-15 दिन से चाइना ने जो सीपीईसी के अंडर ट्रांसफर करने थे पैसे वगैरह पाकिस्तान में थोड़े रोके, जस्ट टू अगेन पुट प्रेशर ऑन देम. China is very chalu. He will like Pakistan to attack India and back him, rather than he attacking India and then others attacking China. So that is what it is. Clear है दोस्त? Rest everything is clear? Okay. We'll skip fast on this ability to convince others क्योंकि GD होनी नहीं है इस पर. Okay, interview. This is too critical. First, what is an interview? कोई बताए मुझे इधर, जिन्होंने पहले थ्योरी सेशन नहीं लगाया हुआ वो बताएं। व्हाट इज एन इंटरव्यू? पहले ये फंडामेंटल क्लैरिटी माइंड में हो, फिर अपने रास्ता ना और अपना काम 80% आसान हो जाता है।
प्रोसेस टू नो ईच अदर, प्रोसेस कि वो हमें जान सके।
हाँ, गुड। इट इज 15 to 20 minutes process in which the panel tries to know you through you. What you know about yourself for 20 years, or 20, 23 years, 15, 20 years. तभी मैं वो 300% कॉन्फिडेंस की बात कर रहा था कि उधर 300% कॉन्फिडेंस होगा, इधर आएगा पैनल तक। कोई डिटेक्टिव नहीं लगाने, कोई उन्होंने आपके घर से पुलिस वेरिफिकेशन नहीं करानी, कुछ नहीं। जो आपने अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करना है इन दैट 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, that is interview. It can be sales pitch, it can be sales meeting or whatever you are trying to sell yourself. But we should not oversell. नहीं तो बंदा कहता है 15 या 5 मिनट में जो थोड़ा यार मैंने नहीं लेना, जाओ। This is very critical to understand. They are trying to know you through you, what you know about yourself for 20 years. तो अपने आप को अच्छे से जाने. This is the bottom line of this point. And again, coming back to that point, why I should be selected, how I am good. किसी को नेगेटिव तो सोचना ही नहीं। एक अंदर जो रियल नेगेटिव होगा, वीकनेस, वो बताएंगे आई एम वर्किंग ऑन दिस, आई एम ट्राइंग टू इम्प्रूव अपॉन दिस। Whenever they ask you your weaknesses, you say, I am trying to improve upon this. So they'll say, how? Then you know, yes. They'll say, what have you achieved till now? So then you'll say, इतने तक improve हुआ, अभी मैं और कर रहा हूँ। But don't try to make a strength camouflage as a weakness. They are smart enough to know it. कई जगह इंटरव्यू में ये सिखाया जाता है कि आप ये बोल दो जो आपकी स्ट्रेंथ है ना, उसी को वीकनेस बोल देना। सर, I like to take things very seriously. I am very dedicated to. I stick to deadlines. Very very seriously. तो ये क्या भैया, तो स्ट्रेंथ है आपकी? मतलब आप जस्ट उनको ये शो करना चाह रहे हो क्या? मुझे लगता था मेरी वीकनेस है। तो बट दे आर स्मार्ट, मोर स्मार्टर देन अस। अगेन 300% प्रिपरेशन। अब इस पे मैं आपको एग्जांपल दूंगा सचिन तेंदुलकर का। 1,50,000 balls that gentleman had played before he played for India, approximately 1,50,000 balls. And even when he was playing in international cricket, he used to go and spend hours in nets. Amitabh Bachchan, it is said till now, if he has to go for any important shooting, he spends lot of time in rehearsing his script, his dialogue, क्या emotion से scene है, कैसे act करना है, etc. And he is a legend. He could have taken it easy. तो वो लेवल के लोग इतना करते हैं, तो अपने को तो अच्छे से तैयार करके जाना ही चाहिए कि नहीं? Yes or no? Yes sir. So this is what it means, 300% preparation. आपके जितने क्वेश्चन आए हैं 429 बीकॉम वालों, एकदम एक ऐसे टिप्स पे रेडी होना चाहिए। उसके बारे में और यूट्यूब पे देखो, आज के दिन में कुछ अगर नया रिसर्च आया। आईटी वाले जो हैं, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, आपकी बैकग्राउंड कौन सी है? बीटेक इलेक्ट्रिकल। तो इलेक्ट्रिकल में इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स, व्हाट आर द न्यू इन्वेंशंस इन देम, हाउ दे आर सुपीरियर, न्यू ये जो है ड्राइवरलेस जो मेट्रो चली है, हाउ दिस कंसेप्ट वुड बी, व्हाट अलार्म सिस्टम्स डू यू फील इट वुड बी हैविंग, आप उसमें इन्वॉल्व हो या नहीं, उससे पूछेगा ऐसे ही, सो दैट योर इमेजिनेशन पावर ही विल चेक। ऐसे फाइनेंस अकाउंट्स वालों को बोल देते हैं ये बिस्लेरी पड़ी है, इसकी कंपनी की इनकम स्टेट बैलेंस शीट बना के बताओ। आईएम्स के इंटरव्यू में पूछा, ये कंपनी है ना वाटर बॉटल, इसकी एक बैलेंस शीट बना के दो अभी के अभी, ऑन द फील्ड। किसी को मार्केटिंग का इंटरव्यू है आईएमटी गाजियाबाद या आईएम अहमदाबाद, सेल दिस पेंसिल टू अस ऑन द फील्ड। सो उसके लिए वी विल डू सम मॉक्स, बट प्रेपरेशन जो है आपके अपने सब्जेक्ट्स की करंट अफेयर्स की नॉलेज या जो हमने अभी पीपीटीज की डिस्कशन करनी है वो रॉक सॉलिड। अगर मैंने देखा जी जिंदगी में, अगर आपकी तैयारी अच्छी है ना, आप अंदर से लोहा हो, तो कुछ भी कोई भी आपको काट नहीं सकता, कोई आपको रिजेक्ट नहीं कर सकता। बट पॉइंट ये है कि क्या हम हैं लोहा? अगर हम ही रबर हैं तो फिर रबर को तो आराम से दबा के रख देगा साइड में। Our theory should be this much, even if this much is going to be asked from us. Anyone has any doubt? इसके बिना नहीं होएगा। होता तो मैं आपको क्यों कहूं कि मेहनत करो, रगड़ा खाओ। जो पानी के ऊपर ऊपर तैरते हैं उनको नहीं लेंगे, वो जो गहराई तक समझते हैं जानते हैं उनको लेंगे, क्योंकि वो वहां आके भी अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे। 100% टाइलर्स की एक बार था एक बंदा, कोई आईएम नहीं कन्वर्ट हुआ था, टॉप 10 आईएम्स नहीं हुए थे 100% टाइलर नहीं होते, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट जस्ट स्कोर। एंड में फाइनल सिलेक्शन में अब जो आईएम अहमदाबाद वगैरह का क्राइटेरिया है, आईएम इंदौर वगैरह का स्कोर की वेटेज टुवर्ड द फुल प्रोसेस 25% ही रह जाती है इन फ्यूचर, इन नेक्स्ट स्टेजेस। शॉर्टलिस्ट हो गए आप, उसके बाद वेटेजेस ऑफ 10th +2 ग्रेजुएशन मार्क्स, इंटरव्यू, पहले राइटिंग असेसमेंट टेस्ट की भी थी, 35% वेटेज हो जाती है, 25 रह जाती कैट की, 35% इंटरव्यू की। 300% बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ, एवरीवन इज क्लियर अबाउट इट। और ये आएगी कहां से? यहां से जबरदस्त प्रिपरेशन होगी, कैसे नहीं यार, विश्वास आएगा। कच्चा होगा ये काम तो बस कच्ची होगी अपनी बिलीफ। आई कैन टेल यू द पीपल हु आर एक्सपीरियंस इन टेकिंग इंटरव्यूज, दे कैन जज you 80 to 90% as soon as you enter and you come and sit for the interview. From your expressions, from the aura you carry with you, body language, zeal, everything gets reflected in. हम लोग करेंगे ना मॉक इंटरव्यू, विल टेल ये जो अभी एंट्री हुई है ये 10 में से कितने आपको देगी नंबर और कैसे एंट्री होनी चाहिए। आप हम भी किसी से मिलते हैं, किसी के घर गए होते हैं, किसी रिलेटिव के घर कोई दूसरा बंदा घूम रहा होता है, कोई अपना कजन का आगे, कोई दोस्त दूसरा, तो हम देखते हैं तो देख के बना लेते हैं ना एक इमेज। एक बंदे को देख के उसकी डिटेल, चलने का तरीका, ड्रेसिंग, हाउ ही इज मूविंग, हेड मूवमेंट, आईज एटसेट्रा, वी फॉर्म ए ब्रॉड ओपिनियन वेरी क्विकली। अभी उसने बात भी नहीं की होती हमसे, और जो ओपिनियन फिर बन जाती है वो उसको फिर करैबोरेट करते हो इंटरव्यू में। तो अगर विश्वास लाना है तो प्रिपरेशन करनी है। देन 300% ज़ील। अभी एक बच्चा था, उसकी इंटरव्यू चल रही थी नीचे, ही केम इन, इंटरव्यू देते टाइम ही वाज लीनिंग लाइक दिस ऑन द बैक ऑफ हिज, जॉब सीट पे बैठने के लिए बोला। अगले दिन इंटरव्यू दी तो डांट तो पड़ी उसको, बट वी कुड अंडरस्टैंड ज़ील इज लैकिंग। ऐसे करके बैठने का क्या मतलब? यार बैक हैज टू बी अपराइट, स्ट्रेट। ये बैक की सपोर्ट आपको लेनी नहीं है इंटरव्यू के टाइम। यू हैव टू सिट टू इन सच ए वे दैट यू आर अलर्ट ऑन द फ्रंट। ऐसे करके आप बैठो, आप लीन करने का मतलब ही नहीं है। लीन तो 40-45 साल की उम्र के बाद डायरेक्टर, जनरल मैनेजर्स करेंगे ऐसे करके, आपको थोड़ा करना है। बिकॉज दे विल थ्रू, बिकॉज दे हैव टू थिंक डिसीजन मेकिंग एंड दे हैव टू रिलैक्स देयर माइंड। यू आर द फर्स्ट एग्जीक्यूटर्स, you are yet to take any pressure। तो ऐसे करके नहीं बैठना है कभी भी। स्पाइन should be straight whenever you discuss, eye contact should be maximum। और ये भी बॉडी लैंग्वेज। उसका अगले दिन की इंटरव्यू जो थी नहीं हुई उसमें उसकी सिलेक्शन। फिर उसके बाद डांट तो अच्छी सी पड़ गई थी। अगले 6, 7, 8, 10 दिन उसने बैठ के फिर बच्चों के साथ ग्रुप बना के पूरी तैयारी की। उससे भी वही हुआ, जो क्वेश्चंस किए हुए थे इसके बीकॉम वाले 3-4 वो पूछे नहीं आते थे, खत्म। फिर ही प्रिपेयर्ड वेल, देन ही क्लियर्ड नारसिंह मुंबई, और उसका आईएम रायपुर भी हो गया था। 300% पॉजिटिविटी, कर्मास, दुआ, काउंट, हेल्प ईच अदर, बी गुड 2 people. Ushlin का I can tell you जिसकी आपने सुनी वीडियो, this was her unique USP, very positive. हार्डवर्क तो था ही, उसका रजिस्टर इतना बड़ा हुआ था नोट्स के साथ, जब यहाँ 2015 की बात है. उसने बताया ना आई एम शिलोंग के इंटरव्यू में मेरा रह गया, तो दे सेड उशलीन यू जस्ट फॉरगॉट योर रजिस्टर, तो ही सेड या सर आई जस्ट बाय मिस्टेक आई लेफ्ट इट देयर. तो ये सेड यू वर्क वेरी हार्ड, गुड. कई बच्चों से इंटरव्यू में पूछते हैं जो यहाँ से अभी आपको कई यूनिक पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे कि भाई हाउ डू यू नो दिस, तो दे से वी रेड इट इन द इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स, कहते वी आल्सो रीड इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स, बट these are something good you have shared, keep it up. This kind of remarks also students of this center from this classroom have been getting from panels. एक लड़का था SBI के इंटरव्यू देने गया था, गुणवीर सिंह, 30 में से 29 नंबर लगे उसके SBI इंटरव्यू, जो हाईएस्ट अभी तक का. So now we will go to the topics. This is what we had agreed. Overview एक मिल गया. Do's and do nots. Major ones, read it quickly. Blazer is supposed to be like this, plain. No shine, no self, nothing. Tie should be plain, white. Welcome, sir. Rohit sir, कर दें. Should be plain. Tie should be this. Also, I will not recommend at your level. Go for plain, navy blue or black. Plain navy blue will be good. White shirt, plain, no self. And try if a pen with golden tip can be here. आपका अगर ऑनलाइन होगी तो यू विल हैव टू प्रैक्टिस सो दैट आपके इतने तक दिखे और आपके हैंड जरूर दिखे जब आप उसकी सेटिंग करोगे कैमरे की. इट शुड बी सच इन सच ए वे दैट योर हैंड्स शुड बी एबल टू कम्युनिकेट. और लाइट जितनी भी पड़नी है आपकी तरफ पड़े, आपके पीछे ना हो, सिर के पीछे कोई लाइट नहीं होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि नहीं तो वो फिर इट विल स्पॉइल योर यू नो own personality and own glow or your view to the interview. वो नहीं बोलेगा, वो क्यों एफर्ट करेगा? We have to present our best version to get selected. Don't wear anything shining. Exhibit decent confidence, but don't be overconfident. Stick to good values and be on the right side always. Right side of laws, truthfulness, systems, everything. Don't try to tell them shortcuts. ऐसे कर लेंगे, ऐसे मैनेज हो जाएगा, ऐसे जुगाड़ हो जाएगा, ऐसे और कॉस्ट बच जाएगी, नहीं. Be on the right side always. They are just trying to check you. Stay calm, serious that you need this college and job. Exhibit ability to absorb pressure, handle rapid fire questions without losing calm. एक लड़का था, उसकी इंटरव्यू थी, IIMS की इंटरव्यू थी. I'll not name him. We during the interview had come to know that he's slightly insolent. Means उसको 2-3 बार कहीं पोक किया जाए तो गुस्सा आ जाता था उसको. He had a gap. He was working in a good company, BTech. Then he came back at home, and we explained him for the gap. You tell very frankly, this is what has happened. और अगर बार-बार भी कोई पूछेगा तो don't get disturbed by it. The panel asked him, why you left that company? It was a good company. Why you came back to Ludhiana? No, I had to take care of my mother. My father was not there. And तो कहता तेरे भाई को, your brother could have taken care of her. He was staying along with her. Your bhabhi could have taken her. Third way जब भाभी आया तो reply was, I have told you ना, nobody was there to take care of her. So thank you very much. Interview ends. And this was a gentleman for whom all new IMB convert नहीं हो, उसकी percentile बहुत अच्छी थी. Maybe IMB convert नहीं हो. So that is how we figured out कि insolent behavior, aggressive behavior, not being able to absorb pressure और integrity, ये 2-3 चीजों में IIMs बता देते हैं एक दूसरे को, जो लगता है. If they come to know about any ABCD candidate, कि दूसरे इंटरव्यू में नहीं निकला तो भी उनसे गलती ना हो जाए. So don't be optimistic, positive, solution oriented, sincere. Current affairs we have already discussed. So each and every detail उस कॉलेज की जो उसके साइट पे है, अगर आपने नहीं पढ़ी इंटरव्यू देने जाने से पहले तो आपने तैयारी नहीं की, 300% नहीं है, 1% प्रिपरेशन है। फिर उस कॉलेज के बच्चों ने जो भी पढ़ रहे हैं या एलुमिनाई ने अगर कोई वीडियोस डाली हुई हैं यूट्यूब पे या इधर, लाइफ एट IMA, लाइफ एट IIM बैंगलोर, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्लब्स वी हैव, लाइफ एट IIM इंदौर, सोशल एंटरप्रेन्योरिज्म बनाते हैं, उनके डायरेक्टर का मैसेज, वो सब पढ़ के जाओगे और इंटरव्यू में आप बोलोगे सर माय वैल्यू सिस्टम्स एंड IIM इंदौर, व्हाट यू लुक इनटू ए कैंडिडेट, द वैल्यू सिस्टम्स आल्सो मैच। कैसे? कहते सर आई हैव सीन दैट यू डेवलप socially conscious managers, people go from IIM Indore in nearby villages, they teach kids from underprivileged sections and villages, and you do a lot of social work. So I also have this meant, I have done this, it will be good gel if I come to your college. So that is another great point. तो अगर आपने पढ़ा होगा कि IIM Indore is, internally they feel very strongly that they work towards creating socially responsible managers, तो आप उसको ये पॉइंट बता पाओगे। और जैसे IIM अहमदाबाद एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट में बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, मार्केटिंग में बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, CEOs कई सारे IIM अहमदाबाद के हैं आज के दिन में, पुराना IIM भी है, बट लॉट ऑफ गेस्ट लेक्चर्स, एलुमिनाई नेटवर्क जो IIM अहमदाबाद का है वो किसी का भी नहीं है, क्योंकि सबसे पहला आया था, ओल्ड था, ग्रोथ हुई। तो जो एलुमिनाई नेटवर्क है, आज कोई IIM अहमदाबाद का पास आउट रघुराम राजन है, कोई IIM अहमदाबाद का पास आउट CEO है ABCD कंपनी का, मेनी CEOs, चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर आर एक्स IIM अहमदाबाद। तो यू हैव एलुमिनाई मीट, इवन इफ यू आर इन दिल्ली, IIM Ahmedabad pass outs in Delhi will have a network among themselves, they will meet, they will have alumni get-togethers. So great opportunity to network, and it can even lead to job opportunities, career progression, etc. समझे? Have 10 reasons why you should be selected. We discuss it. Reasonable clarity about short-term, long-term goals. Think at is, if a business situation is given, think at it as a CEO, management, manager. Now here we will come to broad, deliverables और क्या क्या CEO और chairman या promoters को main देखना होता है कोई भी decision making में। अगर आपको कहा गया कि you are the senior board of directors of a company, this is a case, how will you do it? यहाँ आपको बोला गया you are CEO of a company, you have to launch a product, what will you think? तो main points जो deliverables हैं, CEO, chairman, promoters, etc. is the most important function they have is investment decisions, where they should put their money. और उसके लिए आप खुद सोचें कि उसको कैसे वो सोचेगा किधर लगाओ। रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट इज वन मेथड, डिस्काउंटेड कैश फ्लो इज अनदर, NPV नेट प्रेजेंट वैल्यू इज अनदर मेथड, देन इकोनॉमिक इन्वायरमेंट ब्रॉडर मैक्रो लेवल कंट्री का, वर्ल्ड का, फिर पॉलिटिकल इन्वायरमेंट वर्ल्ड का, कंट्री का, ये मैक्रो लेवल ओवरव्यू, कॉम्पिटिटर एनालिसिस, etc. etc. ये सब he will consider before he arrives where he should put money, and whether the product is into star category, is growing, or it is dogs, the product is now getting obsolete and he is trying to enter, etc. etc. or how much, for how many years it will be there. अब जैसे आज के दिन में अगर किसी ने ऑटोमोबाइल में एंट्री करनी होगी, तो if somebody enters with a big capex 10-12,000 crores on conventional diesel petrol vehicles, he is making a big mistake, because when everything is being replaced by electric vehicles, he has to think of future, and future not just if it is a 10-12,000 crore investment, he has to think 30-40 years down the line. So that is the biggest key deliverable. Then vision, mission of the company, core values of the company, Like value for money, Tata has this philosophy. If you buy this watch, I had bought of Titan maybe 15 years back. Till date, I'm enjoying it. So it brings a brand loyalty of Tata in my mind, perception, etc. If you buy Indica, it was decent value for money, 3.5, 4 lakh vehicle. It gives you service for almost 4 lakh kilometers. Good suspension, heavy vehicle. Yes, it may not be the best, but value for it, he would have placed it at 5. If you buy certain things from certain brands and if you feel value for money, what you spend, you got good return, you will always recommend it and you will inherently be a ambassador of that brand. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So इसी में आता है जो brand loyalty, do brands overcharge? I first time in my life I bought these Nike shoes which were quite expensive for the type of bike I had been doing till date. But moment I tried them and I walked, I felt my weight is less than, as much as I used to feel it on my knees and legs, it is 50% of that. I feel like walking more. So the R&D they are done in the sole, and I have similar shoes, 1/10 price from Best Price. Look wise similar, but whenever I wear them, they start paining my feet. They give pain in my feet, and when I'm walking, I can't walk more than maybe 200 meters. So, question will be asked from you: do brands overcharge? These kind of questions we will also ask. It will be asked from you. So you have to reply, yes, sir. It may look that brands overcharge, but if they overcharge, I think people will not repeatedly buy them. They may overcharge for a few years and then they will be outdated. But because of the like Apple phones or the laptops, etc., or Nike itself, because of the R&D they do and the quality of material they use, it could be possible that their costs are also decently high. If you put the investment cost of fixed cost of R&D, etc., amortize it on the sales, then it may not look that bad. Public relations, shareholders relations, business review, internal, external, ethics, they are to be set by the promoter of the company. What ethics the company will follow? What are some basic things below which company will not accept certain deviations? Ethics, my own definition is, you can write down, being fair to whomsoever you deal with. Being fair to whomsoever you deal with. It does not mean that you have to just stick to the rules of the book, laws, etc. only. No. There is a plant. If a company closed it down, contract said company can give 3 months advance notice and sack all the employees. But if the company has been into good profitability for years, has decent cash in hand, etc., and is trying to close down, a good company, ethical company may give 1 year's separation allowance or an alternate opportunity for employment if you want. If your track record is good, you have been good to the company, and then you can be given an alternate employment option in other plants. So legally it was not required, but ethically it may be required. Chart of authority, this is very important. COA, this is a key function of the top management, CEO, chairman, MD. What authorization levels will be there in the organization at different levels. Chart of authority is a very, very important tool for delegation of power, and it has very important linkage to risk management. Like in a company, like we were a steel company, so we had this much big book of chart of authority in our organization. We had developed it in association with E&Y and another consulting company and our own inputs. For different levels of purchase, up to 10 lakhs, the power will be with AGM, 50 lakhs with GM, 30 lakhs, but below guys signing and another level entering, then 2 crore, 5 crore, 10 crore, investment decisions, up to this crores, this much, this committee can decide. Up to this crore, this, up beyond this, then this kind of committee where chairman will be involved, etc. So it involves transactional risk. It is supposed to cover कि आपके गलत एक साइन चेक इशूइंग के, कि आपका एक साइन ये करेगा बंदा CFO, दूसरा आपका ये करेगा मार्केटिंग चीफ, अगर वो पेमेंट्स एंड डू समथिंग रिलेटेड टू सर्विस ऑफ मार्केटिंग. सिमिलरली परचेज वाला परचेज हेड प्लस CFO, और अगर बियॉन्ड पॉइंट है परचेज हेड CFO प्लस द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द कंपनी एटसेट्रा. So those kind of checks and balances, risk management related, is the key prerogative of the top management. Strategic decision making, long term, short term. Corporate review, operations review, quarterly, yearly revenue, cordial relations with employees, etc., etc. Hedging, covering risks. This is basically CFO's main function, chief financial officers. You may be surprised to hear those.
So what is hedging?
Okay, good. Now, I got an order for exports at $100 per piece today. And based on that, I will buy raw material locally. I'll convert it. I'll make items out of it. My cost as of today is 80, including the logistic cost, everything, till the item reaches the port of the destined port of the customer. So today my margin is 20 rupees. But this item is going to be delivered 4 or 8 months down the line. Today the forex rate is 100 rupees. For a dollar is say 50 rupees. Predicted is it can become other way around 40. So I am going to lose almost 20% in forex rates downward trend. So my profitability will be 0. A scenario, if the predicted rate of dollar is likely to go. So I will hedge my risk of forex today. I have got an order today at $100 per piece. My cost is $80. $20 is my profit. Today dollars conversion rate is say 50. I assume it can be 40 also. So on the downward side, I will go to a hedging company. I will tell them cover my this risk. They will not charge me $10. They will charge me $0.5 or $0.8. But by paying that, I am covering my risk of $19. So those companies, they have their own internal, risk assessment models, softwares, analytics, etc., by which they determine कितना risk पे हम कर सकते हैं. Hedging cost is there. That is called hedging. Sometimes it is done for currency. Sometimes it is done for raw materials. If it is steel involving item, today the steel price is $40 per ton, so say $400 or $600 per ton. And if I book the order today, but I am going to supply after 10 months, I am seeing prices can go very high in between, तो मेरा तो loss हो जाएगा. So that kind of hedging, that is called hedging. So these kind of risk coverage normally are done by CFO and the CEO together. Financial planning, MIS, transactional risks, market scenarios, material cost hedging, etc., etc. All these have to be handled by the CFO and normally the CFO on the financial side. CFO का सबसे main critical function is he should arrange funding. Number 1, financial planning. अब आप में कितने लोग हैं जो MBA फाइनेंस करना चाहते हैं, जरा हाथ खड़ा करें. तो आपसे पूछेगा MBA फाइनेंस में क्यों करना चाहते हो? किसी के पास आंसर है? अच्छा सा बताओ.
Relevant work experience.
ओए, relevant work experience, good. वो कहेगा ऐसे तो यार चलो ठीक है, relevant work experience है. और वो कहेगा relevant work experience है ना, तो आप executive MBA करो या part time MBA करो फाइनेंस के साथ साथ. MBA फाइनेंस क्या करनी? Can be, मतलब you can go in that direction. कोई और? Why MBA finance you would like to do? Welcome सिमरन. इधर आ जाओ बच्चे, आने दो. रोक देते हैं रोहित सर उसको बीच में. या रोहित सर ऐसे घुमा दें. अच्छा. Try to understand. Financial plan of a company is
sales is the way to provide them and to get them to connect it with the marketing, and it's also a pathway between the marketing and company and the customer.
Okay. See, sales is the transaction part of the product's delivery or selling, where you exchange product and get money in exchange of it. That is the transactional part of one part of the marketing. As our friend shared, it is much more holistic. It starts much before ki bajaye, much before any product is even conceived. So from there the marketing guy will start thinking what is there in demand, what do the customers want, who is the target market, what they will like to have, what is the competitor analysis, what is the pricing analysis, what are the features competitor is offering, what we should offer, and then he gives feedback to R&D, research and development, यार ऐसा कुछ बनाओ, ऐसी चीज बिकेगी. And then R&D will work on it, prototypes, then they will move in the market, the prototypes, then they will get feedback. And then it will be incorporated. Then comes pricing, placement, कितने में रखना, कहाँ रखना. XUV 500, Mahindra and Mahindra very strategically placed it at 10 point something or 11 lakhs. When Innova was around, Innova definitely has more seating capacity for the kids, 2 extra seats at the behind. But the comfort and luxury at that time what Mahindra offered at 10, 11 brought their, it gave them in next 3 years almost 60% market share in the SUV business. Nice product, well conceived, nicely placed, very well priced, and it gave them almost 60% market share against a very strong competitor Toyota Innova, which was very liked by the most of the Indian market. So just an example. And then they purposefully knew that this entry will kill Xylo. When I went, I had booked Xylo 2 महीने का time था. When I went there to take delivery, there were people who were buying, SUVs. एक तो gentleman थे 4 SUV बुक की. मैं क्या करते हो आप? कहता खेती है हमारी, किसान है. मैं बढ़िया हो गया काम में. 4 SUV in one go he booked. And then I also had an option to shift. If I wanted, I could have converted. They said, अगर आपने change करना है, आप ये ले सकते हो XUV. But I had in my mind bigger family, parents stay with me, so 8-seater was very clear in my mind, and Xylo was the best 8-seater capacity bike. So I stuck to it. But 3-4 months later, they stopped Xylo because और वहाँ पे भी ये हो रहा था, लोग Xylo change करके XUV ले रहे. So that was very well decided. We are going to phase out Xylo. Xylo was their first aristocrated launch, aristocrated vehicle trial of Mahindra. Mahindra had a joint venture with Logan. They came out with Renault. एक गाड़ी का नाम मुझे बोल रहा है, छोटी गाड़ी जो थी लास्ट तक चलती थी. Virgo. It was a 5-seater sedan. Verito. It was very big success in Mumbai, Meru, Texas. Whenever I used to drive with the I used to take cab, I used to ask, so they used to say, sir, 2 lakh चल गई, 2.5 lakh चल गई, कोई problem नहीं है, average तारा है, very good. So that was a sophisticated vehicle launched by Mahindra in collaboration with Logan. And then they blended some of the features of Logan was the vehicle, मुझे याद है, Logan के और Scorpio को hybrid करके they came out with Xylo. 1.5-2 साल Xylo was very light, very good, sophisticated SUV of Mahindra. And then parallelly they were developing XUV, and that gave the confidence to the customers कि ये lighter और अच्छी sophisticated SUV दे सकते हैं. Xylo से वो customer को confidence आया, and then they came out with SUV, XUV 500, और उसके बाद अभी TUV 300, XUV 300, etc. So all that is within marketing's purview. So core responsibility of new products, their pricing, their बनाना है नहीं बनाना, कितना बनाना है कितना नहीं बनाना, trial, testing, advertising, branding, every damn thing. Core responsibility is with the marketing chief of the company. HR, how many of you want to go for HR? 1, 2, बस 3. The kind of respect HR managers have today is maybe 10 times better than the respect in Indian companies than the respect HR managers had 15 years back. Today, in most of the strategic decision making committees of the company, HR head or HR director is also part. Earlier it used to be CFO, marketing head, plant head, or the CEO. Now HR heads have also started coming in. Very, very important function. It starts from organizational planning. कहाँ कितने कितने बंदे चाहिए, किस टाइप के चाहिए, किस प्रोफाइल के चाहिए, हायरिंग, ट्रेनिंग, मोटिवेशन, एम्प्लॉय रिटेंशनशिप, improvements, key result areas, balance scorecards, results, everything. In everything today HR is involved and very, very heavy. Many people in last 5 years I have seen, 5 to 10 years, HR heads have become CEOs of companies, which never used to be the case earlier. HR heads have become plant heads of the company, which never used to be the case earlier. So HR को ऐसे ही मत सोचना कि ऐसे ही. Very, 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 very important function. Finance we discussed. Logistics is very common and simple. We will not talk. Operations is cost control, quality control, safety, timely delivery, maintenance of plant and machinery, preventive breakdown maintenance, predictive maintenance, proper man management, ensuring backup spares, backup manpower, backup tools, operations plant, माल ठीक से बने, अच्छी क्वालिटी का बने, कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव बने, टाइमली कस्टमर तक पहुंचे. These are main deliverables of plant head operations role. उसी में सब जगह एफिशिएंसी आ जाती है. इन्वेंट्री मैनेजमेंट, ज्यादा इन्वेंट्री स्टोर में भी ना हो, प्रोसेस में भी ना हो, बनी हुई भी ना हो, लॉजिस्टिक्स में भी ना हो. फटाफट कम से कम इन्वेंट्री इज मनी स्टक इन द सिस्टम. तो कम से कम इन्वेंट्री पे आप माल बनाओ और उधर से पैसा लाओ फटाफट. Quality control, incoming quality checking, etc. Purchase, ensuring procurement at optimum prices, ensuring long-term agreements with suppliers, etc. Supplier relationship management, international pricing benchmarks, सब track रखना, etc. Strategic planning. This is normally a cell which is there within the office of chairman or CEO of the company. So its function is keeping track of macroeconomics, micro about that product. जैसे अगर कोई ट्रैक्टर कंपनी है तो they like to keep a track of how much is the farm output in different seasons. खरीफ सीजन में क्या चल रहा है इधर, तो उसका इफेक्ट क्या आएगा ट्रैक्टर सेल्स पे. तो फोरकास्टिंग में वो they give lot of inputs. So that is what is in the strategic planning. Micro, macro, internal, external, product. ये लोग भी बहुत इनपुट देते हैं उनको, मार्केटिंग को और R&D को टुवर्ड्स प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट एंड ऑल. सो बेसिकली फोरकास्टिंग, हेजिंग के लिए दे विल गिव लॉट ऑफ इनपुट्स कि यार मटेरियल इतना अभी स्टील प्राइसेस कैन गो दिस वे दैट वे एटसेट्रा. सो IT डिपार्टमेंट इंश्योरिंग दैट मैक्सिमम voluminous data terms etc are saved. That is called knowledge management department of within IT. It is there. Then seamless, internet connectivity, IT infrastructure, ensuring risk management through proper IT infrastructure. अगर आपके अप्रूवल्स हैं तो वो चेक जनरेट तो होना दूर की बात है. इनवॉइस ही जब तक जनरेट नहीं होगी जब तक वो चेक नहीं करेगा कि परचेज ऑर्डर एक्टिव है नहीं है. सिस्टम में IT में सब चेक करें परचेज ऑर्डर की क्वांटिटी, प्राइस. उसके बाद अगर उससे क्वांटिटी ऊपर जा रही है तो ऑथराइजेशन को ट्रिगर जाएगा मेल में, दे विल अप्रूव, देन ओनली इट विल बी प्रोसेस. फिर वहीं से SAP होता है. जैसे लेवल 4 SAP is a enterprise resource planning ERP software. It has different levels. 4th is the highest. In 4th level, person sitting in Ludhiana will enter the order he has received from a customer here in the system of the company. Automatically all that orders of that weight of say hot rolled coil of a steel company will get clumped and then released for purchase for production in the line, and then it will be allocated. Vehicles will also be allocated by the system itself. जो available vehicles हैं उस साइड के अगर 2 coil हैं वो ऑप्टिमाइज करके निकालेगा, ये लेके जाएंगे इतने टन की कैपेसिटी, and then barcode will be there. Then invoice will have that barcode numbers. When the purchase guy, the customer receives it, he issues the payment that is entered in the system and it is accredited and it is considered as resolved. Credit terms, everything is put in the system. That is level 4 SAP implementation. So there are some important things which you should read of your own, apart from what Hinamam has shared with you. BCG matrix, Boston Consulting Group has a very famous matrix about strategic planning, how and what stage the products are. Just read about it. Sometimes you can be asked about it. What do you know about, BCG matrix? What is penetrative pricing? Monopolistic pricing? What is customer relationship management? What do you understand by market stratification, profiling, survey? How will you do competitor analysis? Then there are 2-3 advanced tools. Like one is force field analysis, just studied macro level थोड़ा सा. SWOT analysis तो काफी सबको पता ही होगा. Then QFD होता है quality function deployment. वो भी एक just overview समझ लेना. उसमें आपको ये पता चलेगा काफी input marketing से आती है R&D department को. Quality function deployment is a very big tool for design and even Six Sigma improvements. Then you also read about Six Sigma a bit. We will discuss it in future classes. Lean manufacturing, TPM, especially the engineers को TPM के बारे में पता ही होना चाहिए. TPM, total productive maintenance. JIT, JIT, inventory management system में Kanban is one of them. बाकी इंजीनियर से रिलेटेड ज्यादा है, वो जो हम लोग मॉक करेंगे उसमें कर देंगे. फाइनेंस वाले जो अच्छे हैं, NPV, नेट प्रेजेंट वैल्यू, IRR, इंटरनल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न, प्रोजेक्टेड कैश फ्लो, डिस्काउंटेड कैश फ्लो, व्हाट इज बजटिंग, व्हाई बजटिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट, इनकम स्टेटमेंट, मेजर हेड्स, प्रोजेक्टेड सोर्स एंड एलोकेशन ऑफ फंड स्टेटमेंट. ये सब आपको मिल जाएगा नेट पे. टेम्पलेट्स मिल जाएंगे, KPMG के मिल जाएंगे, EY के मिल जाएंगे, इसके मेन कंसल्टिंग कंपनीज के मिल जाएंगे टेम्पलेट. बिजनेस प्लानिंग, बिजनेस मॉडलिंग, बैलेंस शीट, फिर आपके एनुअल रिपोर्ट्स कोई 1-2 कंपनीज के जिसमें आप इंटरेस्ट रखते हो, देखते आए हो, उसकी 5-6 एनुअल रिपोर्ट्स मिल जाएंगी आपको नेट पे. जो भी लिस्टेड कंपनियां हो तो स्टॉक मार्केट में होती हैं BSE. So now we quickly try to distribute the topics.